Hi guys, so today is all about Yaadi trends. You guys see Yaadi trends, Yaadi trends. Sarah, say Yaadi trends, Yaadi trends, Yaadi trends. Tyler, put on your white sneakers and come. So Yaadi trends, Yaadi trends, Yaadi trends, Yaadi trends. Mama is wearing Jamaica's finest. Sarah is wearing, show them what you're wearing. Sarah is wearing
French grown
Jamaican roots. Papa is wearing Wagwan, and where is Tyler? Tyler is coming, so you guys will see Tyler. So today I'm doing the introduction until Tyler comes. Today I'm promoting a Jamaican brand that is owned by my good friend Shanna. I'll show you guys the unboxing just after the intro because I already did the unboxing, but I want to give you guys the intro real quick. So Yaadi Trend is an online Jamaican store, of course, that ships Jamaican t-shirts and hoodies and Jamaican products worldwide. So Jamaican items worldwide. So it doesn't matter where in the world you are, click the link below at Yaadi Trends. Go support my girl Shanna. You guys know who Shanna is. If you guys don't know who Shanna is, Shanna is a Jamaican that lives in Netherlands and own this Jamaica online store. So Olympic is coming up, and all my Europeans, I know you guys are ready for Olympics in Europe, in France. So it's the best time for you guys to go and copy your Jamaican t-shirts. And I have another one that I'm going to show you guys, but I'm in love with this one. Tyler and I is actually wearing the same thing, but Tyler in a different color. I absolutely love Tyler's color. So click the link down below, and here Tyler is coming. It is Jamaican finest. Hey, show them a good view of your Jamaican finest. Show them a view of your shirt. There is Tyler's shirt. Say Jamaican finest. Jamaican finest. Anyway, you guys, while you guys go ahead and enjoy the unboxing to get a really good view of these shirts, I'm going to go and take some photos for everybody, and then you guys will catch that in the end of the vlog. So go ahead and watch the unboxing, and then you guys will see the photos. Okay, so see you guys in a bit. But wait, you guys haven't said hello. Tyler, say Yaadi Trends. Say Yaadi Trends. Yaadi Trends is the website of Auntie Shanna who sells these shirts. Somewhere that you can go and get these shirts to buy. Say Yaadi Trends.
Yaadi Trends.
Yaadi Trends. Say it with more energy. Say
Yaadi Trends.
No, that's too much energy. Say Yaadi Trends. Exactly. Say hi, babes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night. What's that? Oh, what's this right here? Look like a stick, but it's the door. Strange. It looks weird. Okay, I fixed it. I guess that's because I don't normally see that angle. But anyway, how are you guys doing? It's a brand new day in JA. I'm giving you extra JA vibes today because of today's vlog. Not in JA, you know that, right? But it's always in my spirit and in my heart and in this package, girl. I haven't shared a package with you guys in a while, and before I even go ahead and share this package with you, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, because I know you guys are going to purchase, to click the link below and get 10% off your order by using the code Delaveaus, DELAVEAUS, and get 10% off whatever you'll be putting in your basket. Because girl, I'm happy to share this with you. You know, I love to call you guys girl, even though a lot of men watch our channel, right? Pardon me, but just a vibe. Anyway, so what I'm about to promote is real, authentic Jamaican vibes. Okay, so this online store is owned by my friend Shanna. You guys know Shanna if you guys real OG and been watching for a while. If you guys don't know Shanna, let me take the time to introduce you. Shanna is a Jamaican that lives in Netherlands, and she now has a fabulous online Jamaican store, and the t-shirts and the hoodie and all the Jamaican items that Shanna sell are eye-catching, full of Jamaican vibes, and I'm sure that when I put on one of these t-shirts, I'll be feeling like I'm just at home. So ta-da! And I'm discovering with you guys. So I purchased a shirt for everybody in the family. Of course, you guys know that male have to go with the colors. If it wasn't color, then it wouldn't be me, right? So on these shirts have different things to do with Jamaica. First, I'm going to show you one of my favorite that I choose for myself. This is a black tee, and I choose size extra small because you guys know your girl petite, but it's extra small look big. Okay, all right. It's extra small in USA, but small in EU. It looks big when I hold it up, but when I put it on me, it looks perfect. Yeah. So this one says, Jamaica run things. Where is the lie? And look at the logo. Olympics is next year. Perfect timing for you guys to grab these wherever you are in the world. And Shana store ship worldwide. So it doesn't matter if you're at Chukuyak or you're at North Pole. Shana can ship to you, okay? And I'll leave the link down below and click. And if you want 10% off, use my code Delaveaus and you'll get 10% off. So this one, I love it. So I had to go with Jamaica run things. And of course, you don't know we run things. We not just run around it, but we run it. Alright, this one, you see the pink, so you know it's for Sarah. And this one is one of my absolute favorite. And it says, let me put it close so you guys can see. It says French crown, French grown Jamaican roots. French grown Jamaican roots. And the logo is perfect. Look at that. And for Sarah, since she's growing up so much, I choose size, I think 4. Let me see if it's written. Yes, I choose size 40 and it's perfect. So now, for my boy, of course, it had to be blue. So let me show you the one that I got for Tyler. And of course, because there's so much variety on this site, I didn't want to get the same one for everybody, so I get something different for everybody. And this is for Tyler, and look at this color. It's absolutely beautiful. And for Tyler, I think, yes, I choose the size 7 to 8 years old, and it's perfect. Look at the logo, get in the hummingbird and the flag, and it says Jamaica's finest. Of course. All right, so that's for Tyler. And of course, for the husband, I got my man a little color in there, of course. Says like a light green. I'm sure there's a proper word for it, but I choose the medium for babe, and as you guys can see, it perfect. And what better one to give babe than Wagwan? Right there, so. But right, I tell her she should get the Wagwan, you know, but I choose the Wagwan for babe, and it's perfect. And that's for the entire family. And of course, Mel have to be a little extra and get one more for myself. So, let me show you the last one I get for myself. And if it wasn't color, it wouldn't be Mel. So I got the red tee in the same size, small, and it says Jamaica's finest because I was obsessed with this one, this logo. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. But I need to try this small on. Because this small, when I hold it up, because I like my clothes suck onto me, but when I hold it up, it look a little bit big, but I can style it however I want. But I'm gonna try it on and take some photos with the fam bam as soon as I get everybody together, but it will be in this vlog, so don't go away yet. I'll show you guys exactly how these shirts fit on us, because I don't want to just show you guys the shirt. I want to show you how the product look on us for you to get the real deal. Anyway, you guys, stick and stay, continue watch the rest of the vlog to see how our shirt fits, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of the vlog, of course. And don't forget, click the link down below and get 10% off using the code Delaveaus. black shirt. Carrot, come give me, please. So it's raining outside, and it's the hardest thing to take picture with these kids inside. If it was outside, I would have a better energy, but a black t-shirt. Yeah, Jamaican run things or something like that.
Yes.
So this shirt is my favorite out of all the shirts that I have. This one is and the camera missed all that antics. But anyway, if you guys, those are some of the antics that we've been going on with, it will be on my Instagram page. So now that you guys have seen these amazing t-shirts from Yaadi Trends, make sure you guys go ahead and click the link down below and purchase your Yaadi Trend shirt, or whichever shirt that you prefer, or hoodie that you like from Yaadi Trends. Support the Jamaican love. Anyway, you guys, see you guys later. We're out eating, we're trying this new, it looks like a Mexican restaurant in the middle of the mall. Spanish, this is a Spanish restaurant. So we're here. Actually it's the beach view that we are, the airport, but it's raining so hard you can't see nothing out on the view. So we're just here chilling. It's a lot of people. I'm surprised the amount of people out on this Sunday while it's raining. I guess everybody has the same idea as me. Don't want to cook. Drink is here. Poil. Pour les deux. Merci. No straw in the Pepsis. That's okay. Yes, it is. You and I have the same thing. See you, Miss Sarah?
Papa don't have the same thing?
No, Papa look like a beer. Papa have. What you have? Rum. Papa have rum. Okay, guys, no more drink. Put it down. Put it down. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. No more drink. Stop drinking. Taste it. Yes, he's just tasting. You like it? Leave it. Leave it. Don't touch. Yes. Leave it. Watch your tablet until your food comes. For the good stuff, dessert.
You have to just say like eat with your eyes, like give them an F.
Babe say if it's a restaurant that get points for eat with your eyes, we give them a F. The food wasn't good either on my part. What I got was not good, so I will not go ahead and tell you guys the name of this restaurant. I'd rather not tell you the name of the restaurant than to give them a bad mark. Come here. Look. Churros in chocolate. Sit. And don't mess up your shirt with that chocolate. Here. Eat now. At least them cheesecake that taste bad. Can't go on. Them cheesecake not that bad, no? It's yummy.